Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of convenience and efficiency with the top 5 best cordless vacuums of 2025. If you're tired of being tethered to an outlet and want a cleaner, more flexible cleaning experience, these vacuums are game changers. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Eureka RapidClean Pro vacuum. This lightweight, cordless vacuum features an upgraded 250W brushless digital motor that provides 240% more suction power, ensuring superior cleaning performance. With a long-lasting 40-minute runtime, the Eureka RapidClean Pro delivers uninterrupted cleaning, making it ideal for your entire home. The vacuum includes a 5-stage filtration system that captures fine dust and small particles, preventing secondary pollution. Equipped with 3 power modes and a LED headlight brush, it makes cleaning easier, especially in hard-to-see areas. The Easy Rest feature allows you to place the vacuum safely on countertops or furniture, while the 180 degrees rotatable floor brush and slim nozzle design make it effortless to clean under furniture. With convenient accessories like a crevice tool and 2-in-1 upholstery brush, this vacuum is perfect for hard floors, carpets, and pet hair. It is a versatile and effective tool for daily cleaning tasks. Taking the 4th spot is the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum. This vacuum is designed with hypervelocity suction, providing incredible cleaning power to tackle everyday messes and high-traffic areas. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, you can clean your entire home without interruptions. Its floor-to-carpet versatility is enhanced by Shark's bristle brush roll, which delivers powerful suction for both floors and carpets. The removable hand vac allows for lightweight, above-floor cleaning, while the LED headlights help illuminate hidden debris. The vacuum features an XL dust cup with clean-touch dirt ejector for easy, hands-free debris disposal. Its low-profile design makes it easy to clean under furniture, and the freestanding storage option allows you to detach the hand vac and clip it at the base of the wand. This vacuum comes with a crevice tool for detailed cleaning, making it a versatile option for any home. Taking the 3rd spot is the Trucozie Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This lightweight vacuum, weighing less than 3.3 pounds, features an easy-to-read LED display that lets you monitor its status in real time. It includes a V-shaped detangle floor brush, designed to lift long hair and dirt from both carpets and hard floors. The Trucozie T350 is an 8-in-1 multifunctional vacuum that can be transformed into a handheld vacuum with just a few simple adjustments. It comes with a 2-in-1 brush, a sofa brush, and a crevice tool, allowing you to clean every corner of your home, including curtains, cobwebs, and car seats. With a rechargeable 7x2200 mAh battery, this vacuum offers up to 45 minutes of runtime, and it includes 3 modes for energy-saving cleaning. The 5-stage filtration system captures 99.99% of dust particles as small as 0.1 microns, preventing secondary pollution. Taking the 2nd spot is the Bissell Cleanview XR Cordless Vacuum. This lightweight, cordless vacuum is equipped with a 60% more powerful motor than the Shark 9141, offering impressive suction power for deep cleaning. It provides up to 40 minutes of cordless cleaning, allowing you to move freely throughout your home without being restricted by an outlet. The Cleanview XR includes a deep cleaning fur brush, perfect for picking up pet hair on upholstery, stairs, cars, and more. It also features a removable 24V max lithium-ion battery that offers cordless convenience with 3 distinct cleaning modes. Bissell is also proud to support the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping save homeless pets with every purchase. At number 1, we have the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful vacuum offers up to 50 minutes of runtime in eco mode with the crevice or pet tool, 30 minutes with the vacuum head, and 12 minutes in turbo mode. It is designed to tackle urgent messes quickly with its powerful suction, ensuring stress-free cleaning. The lightweight design allows for easy top-to-bottom cleaning, and it can lie flat to reach under furniture, complete with 3 LED lights to spot dust. The custom 2-in-1 pet tool makes it simple to clean pet hair, while the dusting brush doubles as a crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas. The anti-tangle brush ensures hassle-free cleaning by preventing hair from clogging the brush. With its easy-to-empty dustbin, you can quickly set the vacuum aside and prepare it for the next cleaning session.